Hey everybody, it's me, Old Drifter. Just thought I'd make a quick video just to check in, say hello to my aunt. I got to talk to her today. Well, kind of, sort of. Got to message her today. Man, my old beard getting gray in it. My hair at a different spot. Well, it's different to y'all. It's not different to me. Oh, Rubber Tramp Renegade. I got your name this time. He knows this spot. Guarantee he knows it. He made a video here. It's a really nice spot. There's nobody here today. You can see the lake behind me. It's kind of, I don't know, I wouldn't want to say trashy. The floodwaters has got all that debris and stuff up. Here, I just get you turned around and I'll show it to you. That's what I was talking about. I wouldn't want to say trashy, but you know, the floodwaters brought all that debris up. One thing I noticed when I come down here, I haven't been to this spot in, I don't know, several months. Well, longer than that, before Thanksgiving. But anyway, I've noticed it eroded the bank real bad. I'm assuming that's what did it. But all this, best of my memory, all this used to be about where that line's at. Maybe not quite that far, but in that area. Because that tree you see fell over, that was standing up and had dirt on the other side of it. So it's eroded quite a bit of it. But I've got it to myself. There's old Rebecca there. I decided to start the generator because it was cloudy and raining yesterday, and as you can see, it's cloudy again today. Just got done raining, so I thought I'd jump out, walk around a little bit. So I got the generator running. I'm not going to run it a long time this time. I'm going to run it about an hour and a half, 2 hours, just charge my batteries back up. This place here kind of spooks me out a little bit. Ain't nothing here. It's really not even no camping, actual camping areas. There's a picnic table there and one up on the hill. That's it. I mean, people camp here. They'll tent camp up in that grass and park a few campers here. And, you know, a few be out in that gravel. Now, where I was in my last video, straight across the water. You can't really see it, but right there on that bank, that's that other spot I was at last time. I'm just across the water. I like this one here because there's a walking trail. Of course, you got your vault toilet, but right over there in that area of the vault toilet, there's a trail. It actually starts way off in the woods over there in another area, but it comes right through here, and that's usually where I start at. It goes all along the shore, up the tree line, along the shore, follows on around and curves and goes back up the woods. It goes for miles. I haven't ever gone to the end of it, because I'm metal detecting out in the woods. I found 2 old homesteads out there, so yeah, I've been metal detecting them. That's just our secret, but chances are I won't get caught out there. But the reason there's old homesteads out there, which I'm not going to go into a big long story, all this area you see, all this didn't used to be water. This used to be farmland, towns, homes, and everything. TVA bought everybody out, or that's what they like to say. I'm pretty sure they forced them out, gave them just a little bit of money for their land, but anyway, flooded this valley, which that's what TVA is, Tennessee Valley Authority. Yeah, flooded all them towns and farmlands and everything. But some of these high grounds, these hills, the homes and things aren't there, but like the foundations and all that stuff's still there if you know how to find them, which I'm pretty good at that. I know what to look for. Certain signs that give it away that there used to be a home there. And I found a lot of neat stuff. I found a lot of old coins, because all this was done back in the, I think the project actually started in I'm gonna get it wrong, I know. I think it was 47 when they actually started acquiring land and all that. And then the actual flooding of the valley and starting building of the dams and all that started in the 50s. But I'm thinking 47 is when they started, quote unquote, buying up land, forcing people out probably, but I bet that's when all that started. Anyhow, not much going on. Now, oh yeah, what I was gonna say, this place kind of creeps me out at nighttime. I'm not a big believer in hocus pocus and ghosts and all that old mess, but you can't see it, but right there you see a little pavilion. Well, all that is a cemetery. It's fenced in and everything, but I do watch a lot of, I don't know if you call them scary videos or whatever, but like Oh My Gosh TV, Oh My Gosh, and what's that one? Oh yeah, The Fam, that James guy. and a few other ones, Urban Ghosts Adventures and all that stuff. But you know, so I sit out here at night and watch that stuff. Like I said, I don't believe in ghosts and no hocus pocus and all that, but not here, but throughout my life, there's been a couple times I've seen stuff that I can't really understand what I've seen. And right here in this very spot, I've heard people talking, I've heard voices over there, and that's before I got spooked by the place. And I walked over here one night with my little light I had, whatever I had at the time. And I looked, now on the other side of the hill, there's nothing over there, it's just water. Old Renegade can you know, tell you that. This water you see right here goes on around. Of course, you got land on the other side, but there's a big body of water there. So I walked through there, went on top of the hill the other side. There wasn't no boats, no people, no nothing. And while I was over there, I mean, it's as plain as day. It seemed like somebody was standing right beside me. Plain as day, it said, "Get out." And I promise you, I took off so fast my shoes were still there. I was gone, man. And I don't go back over there at nighttime now. I'll still camp out here. I mean, I'm just right beside it. That ain't 35, 40 feet from me. But I promise you, I don't go nowhere near it. I don't go walking around being nosy over here no more. Not at nighttime, anyway. I mean, there's a reason for it, I'm sure. I mean, it might have been a bird. I don't know. I mean, you know, I don't believe in all that old mess. There's probably a reason for what I heard, but until I figure out what it was, yeah, I'm staying away from it. That really creeped me out. But I still like camping down here. If you ain't went and watched Rubber Tramp Renegade, that's his channel name, go over and watch him. And if you want, I can't remember the name of the video though, but he does like a van tour of his van. He's got an older Model 4, pretty much the same thing as mine, just a few years older. And it's right here in this exact same spot. He does it right here. I think it looked like in the video he might have been more up in this area here. I always back right down there because it seems to be more level. But yeah, he was right here in this very spot. So I think it's pretty cool to, you know, go to places that some YouTubers, you know, I watch been. There's been, oh, here comes some big heron. I mean, you don't look big on the camera, but they're big right here. They're right beside me. That's pretty cool. I didn't know what that was coming behind me. I thought my ghost was after me already. But yeah, there's been 2 or 3 times that I've got to not meet, but you know, camp out in the exact same spot I've seen in other people's videos. I think that's pretty neat. To me it is anyway. Let's see, what else? Before I ramble too much, what else do I got? There was something I can't remember. Yeah, somebody made a cross here. I didn't do it. It was here when I got here. I'm gonna leave it alone. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it. It's pretty neat. I thought it was a fire ring or something when I first started pulling in. Oh yeah, I know what it was. I know what it was. I hope my generator ain't too loud. Now I've got a bunch of it off. You see a little bit of mud right there. A little bit of mud there. Well, I had mud just caked all over the muffler, all up the back. I got a bucket of water out of the lake here, washed most of it off. Underneath, still tons of mud. I decided to go get in the spot that I've been wanting to get into, that the floodwaters have had me blocked out of. Pulled in there, got out, walked the road like I always do. Before I pull in anywhere, if I ain't sure about it, I'll walk down through there. Everything seemed fine. I dragged my foot around on the ground. You know, it was a little, I would say muddy, but it's a little soft, mushy feeling, but you know, it seemed fine to me. So I hopped in old Blue there and took off down through it. I didn't go 20 feet and just sunk. I mean, just, I don't know what sunk more, my van or my heart. I said, oh man, I have messed up now. Because, you know, I'm out here by myself. Nobody's around. Ain't no tow truck gonna come out here and pull you out. Not where I was at anyway. If it's a weekend, I might have caught somebody, you know, fishermen or some of these 4-wheel-drive guys that play out here. I might have caught one of them. But midweek like this, no. So I dug around, you know, looked in my van thinking, what do I got to help me get out? And my little carrier, which I got my generator underneath there with a tarp, you know, it's been raining on and off. That's how I protect it, you know, on rainy days. But I said, maybe I got some chain or rope or something I can wrap around my tire. I know a few tricks I've been taught through the years. I may show you one day. There's a trick you can wrap a rope around your tire, kind of like snow chains, but you can do it with the rope to help you get out. But anyway, that's what I was looking for. Open it up, and lo and behold, there's a 2-ton come along in there. I forgot I even had it. I mean, if that wasn't saved by grace, I don't know what is. It took me about 3 hours of coming along off a tree, you know, click, click, click. I finally got out. And I trust me, I ain't going back in there not till, I don't know, it'll be another month or two till this rain stops. Man, I just got lucky on that. I could still be sitting there this time next week. So I just come on, this is the closest spot I was to from where I got stuck. So I just come on down here because it looks like it's bright and light out here. That's more or less this camera. It's 7, I have to look. I think it's almost 7:30. Days are starting to get longer here, so but it's really darker than what it looks on here. It's actually, you know, some of the stuff I can see on this camera, I can't see with my own eyes. I'm trying to sneak up on these birds here. I probably spooked them off. Let me do some Spielberg Hollywood zooming. See if I can get him in there. You see him right there? He's pretty ways off. I'm trying to sneak up on him. It may not happen. Yeah, I'm not even gonna worry about it. Them birds are pretty slick. Either way, I'm starting to ramble. Video's already 10 minutes. I just want to say hello to my aunt. Well, I was gonna say hello to my sister, but where she's at right now, she might not be able to watch this. But in case she does, I'll say hello to her, all my subscribers. Waiting on my stickers from Camo Dave. Yeah, I got a shout out from Camo Dave the other day. That was pretty cool. It may not seem like a big deal, but it is to me. I like him. He's I don't know how to explain. He does, you know, he kind of reports, I guess you could say, on YouTubers. Kind of gives you a short description of their videos. You know, and he shows a few seconds of each one he talks about, and you're check him out. I like him. Anyway, he did me, and I appreciate it. It's pretty neat. And I ordered some stickers from him. I'm gonna start collecting some of these tuber stickers. So I thought, why not start with old Dave? So that's what I did. I should be getting them here in a few days, which it may be a week or so before I actually go get them or get them sent to me, because I'm so far from a post office box. But anyway, I'm excited. I'm waiting for them to get here. So that's about it. Ain't much more to talk about. I ain't really done nothing today. I did work today. Supposed to rain all day again tomorrow. Go figure, you know. Kind of old news. It ain't making front page no more. But since I'm in this spot here, I'll probably go off in the woods at Homestead and do a little metal detecting. See if I can't video some of it. Because I've metal detected back here a bunch and never had no trouble. I don't hardly ever see the game wardens back here. Which, you know, now I said that tomorrow, there'll be 10 of them parked out here. But I'll probably be alright. If it ain't raining, I'll go back there. Gotta do laundry tomorrow. I was gonna do it tonight, but I don't know. It was raining, gloomy, and I just, you know, in one of the moods, I just didn't feel like messing with it. So I'm gonna go tomorrow afternoon. I gotta get it done. I'm about out of anything to wear. I got it's warm out here today. I got my little shorts on. And it's actually, the Weather Channel says it's only 60 degrees, but right now it feels, I mean, it's warm. I got my fans on inside the van there with the windows open. Kind of stuffy. I mean, it's warm out here. If it stayed like this, I'd be happy. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video right here because my belly's growling. Oh man, it's too late to eat. Yeah, I don't eat after a certain time. I might have me a cookie or two though. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. Just want to check in with everybody, say hi. Hope y'all had a great day. Hope tomorrow's awesome for you. Get out and try to enjoy it. I'm gonna try if it don't rain all day. Yeah, I'll probably talk to you tomorrow. If not, I'll see you a little bit later. God bless and have a great night.